Section 1. Starting the day.
Chapter 1. First thing in the morning. Dan's alarm clock rings.
يرن المنبه الخاص بدان.
And he wakes up.
ويستيقظ.
He gets out of bed.
يخرج من السرير.
He goes into the bathroom.
يذهب إلى الحمام.
After using the toilet and flushing it,
بعد استخدام المرحاض وشطفه.
he washes his hands.
يغسل يديه.
He brushes his teeth.
هو ينظف أسنانه.
Shaves.
يحلق.
And takes a shower.
ويستحم.
He dries himself off with a towel.
يجفف نفسه بالمنشفة.
Then he brushes his hair.
ثم يمشط الشعر.
He gets dressed.
يرتدي ملابسه.
He makes breakfast.
هو يعد الإفطار.
And eats it.
ويأكله.
Then he leaves the apartment.
ثم يغادر الشقة.